Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 132, Calculus with Applications, Section 12.1, Problem 27. This is Section 12.1, Problem number 27. It says, consider the function f of x equals x squared minus 6x plus 3. And then part A, find f prime of x when x is 0. Part B, find f prime of x when x is 8. And part C, find f prime of x when x is negative 4. So to start off, let's just find f prime of x. So take the function that's given in the question. F of x equals x to the second power minus 6x plus 3. And let's find the derivative, f prime. So f prime of x equals, the derivative for x squared is going to be 2x, or 2x to the first. So again, the exponent comes down times the number in front. There is no number really written in front. It's really 1x to the second. So even though the 1's not written, it's really there. So the exponent of 2 comes down times the number in front, the 1 that's not written. There's the 2. X to 1 less power. So second power, 1 less power is first power. Again, you don't really write 2x to the first. You can just write 2x. The piece in the middle, minus 6x, the derivative is minus 6. And this is one of those cases where if you have an x to the first, the derivative is just simply the number in front. And that's what we have here. We have an x to the first. The derivative is the number in front. The number in front is a negative 6. There it is. And the last piece, plus 3. The derivative is 0. And this has come up a few times. When you do the derivative of something that has no variable, like just 3, the derivative is 0. And we don't, we don't have to write plus 0. F prime of x equals 2x minus 6 plus 0. It's really just still 2x minus 6. So now I have the f prime of x, the derivative. Now I can go and do part A, part B, part C. So now part A, find f prime of x when x is 0. So f prime of 0 is 2 times x, which is 2x, or 2 times 0 in this case, minus 6. Well, 2 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 6 is minus 6. And that's the answer for part A. F prime of x when x is 0 is negative 6. Part B, find f prime of x when x is 8. Take my f prime of x and put in an 8 for an x. So f prime of 8 equals 2 times x is 2 times 8 minus 6. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 minus 6 would be 10. So f prime of x when x is 8 is positive 10. And finally, part C, find f prime of x when x is negative 4. Pay attention to the negative. So f prime of negative 4 is 2 times x becomes 2 times negative 4. And then you have a minus 6. So 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So I have negative 8 minus 6. Negative 8 minus 6 is negative 14. So the answer for part C, f prime of x when x is negative 4 is minus 14.